Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So Ethereum is making very similar movements to Bitcoin at the moment, especially since Ethereum has also been in this channel here. And yeah, it also very recently broke out of the channel here. That was pretty much, yeah, today, wasn't it? Or yesterday, today. Broke out of that channel as well, is now back into the channel. In the previous videos, I told you that I do expect the price to go up into this green target area located between 3,240 and 3,450. Yeah, based on the assumption that this year could have been a wave 1, that this year now is the wave 2. I actually expected the wave 2 to be higher. And with the latest move, and if I look at my Bitcoin analysis, so check out my Bitcoin video, because that explains it as well. It could really be that this here is the wave 1 and that the wave 2 is still coming, so that we haven't really had that wave 2 peak here. That would also explain why we haven't reached yet that target area. Now there's two possibilities. One is that we have already seen the wave 1 here, and that what we have seen here was just the wave A, the wave B, basically an undershooting wave B, and that the wave C will come up and that would complete that wave 2. That is one possibility. The other possibility is that, right, we haven't actually seen the wave 1 yet. So this would be the wave 1, wave 2 up here, and that we are now going to see here this A, B, C. That is what I don't know. Both will result pretty much in a similar outcome, in a similar scenario. In both scenarios, I would expect the price to go a bit higher still. Definitely that 3,160 level will be very important resistance. Yeah, so I don't know yet if the price is actually going to go higher than that. Until we know that, I will still leave that wave 2 here. I will still leave that wave 1 here. And in any case afterwards, what I would expect is that the price is turning around again lower to complete then a wave 3, moving up in a wave 4 again, moving down in a wave 5. So in line with my expectation with Bitcoin now, as I've updated you here twice today about Bitcoin, that I do expect now a little bit rising prices. So now we need to see how high the price comes. If the price goes above the 3,160, it will then basically be the case, or confirm that the wave 2 hasn't been in yet, right? So as I said, it could really be that here A, B, C, right? And from here then I would expect that third wave to start. That will probably be a very long wave. Yeah, typically it is. Doesn't need to be, but it cannot be shorter than, it cannot be the shortest wave, so it can't be shorter than wave 1 and wave 5. So we'll see how that's turning out. Seems like that wave 1 is already fairly long, which already confirms that probably that move down will be fairly long, and that could really, yeah, that again fuels that scenario that we might actually drop below that $1,700 level, which would be a bit concerning. If I zoom out again, you can see here that $1,700 level, how important that support was. And I've got a feeling that we definitely will see that $1,700 level, and hopefully it's going to hold. Because if it doesn't hold, you've got a massive head and shoulders here, an absolute massive head and shoulders. I think I've never seen such a head and shoulders, honestly. It's just huge. So let's just hope that is not going to happen, because then we're going to say hello to a 3-digit Ethereum, in my opinion. Yeah, but I already made you aware weeks and months ago that if the $1,700 level breaks, you know, then you're gonna see here something around $1,000 for Ethereum. It's a bit too early to really specify how low we then go, but what I can tell you is that one important support will be here around $1,300. That swing low here, and if we add the VPVR to the chart, then you can see that there's a lot of support down here. But yeah, I'm not suggesting we go down to $100 or something. But you can see the $1,700 level. If I zoom in a little bit, you can see there is a huge volume profile here around $1,700 to $800, so that it will be massive support. There will be massive support. A lot of people will put their buy orders here. So it should hold. Let's hope it holds. And from here on, then we should be able to move back into an uptrend. But as I said, primarily now, I do expect rising prices, ideally into that green target area. Still, that is why it's still on the chart. From there, then the reversal to the downside in line with Bitcoin to complete that third wave. Then a retracement to the upside again, maybe a rather shallow one in a wave 4, and then another move down in a wave 5. And how low will that go? It's hard to say, but it will probably end in that blue target area somewhere between $1,700 and $2,380. And again, the $1,700 level is a very, very important support. So, and that is really everything I can tell you at the moment about Ethereum. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.